Hey guys, it's your boy Nate, aka Keyless Tank, back again with another video. And today we're not in Greenville, we're in Pembroke Pines because they had an update. I want to show you guys about the update you need to know. I want to show you guys everything you need to know. So the first thing you need to know is the new cars. One of the new cars is right in front of me, the 2019 Honda Civic Type R. This vehicle is like $41,000. It is part of the Sports Game Pass, of course. Alright, we got some of that there. We also got a new 2021 Mercedes GT63S. We also got some brand new premium vehicles. We got the brand new Lexus LX300 and Yukon AT4 2022. We also got some normal vehicles, some non-Game Pass vehicles for people who do not have a Game Pass. We got the 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback, 2022 Honda Civic Sedan, and the 2011 Honda Accord. We also got a brand new building and interior with the school. We're gonna go to the school right now. Turn music up a little bit. And let's head over. Brand new school. The school building is so good. The developers did an amazing job on this. Here we're at. Look at this school. Look at this. Okay, what the flush? Come on, I got places to be, people. Oh my. Look at this! Look at this school. We got the bus park area. People coming in and coming out. Look at this. I will show you guys the interior once this dude actually freaking gets his crap together and moves.
If you're a content creator of any kind, you need to start using.
Why?
I'm Ryan, a filmmaker, host, and creator of Film Ryan, a YouTube channel with almost 2 million subscribers that has been teaching filmmaking for 12 years. We've been using Artlist, a royalty-free music licensing platform that helps us produce a lot of content fast. With the unlimited license, I download as much high-quality music and sound effects as we need, and with the useful category filters, I can easily find what I'm looking for. So if you need royalty-free music, you need Artlist.
This doesn't happen very often in this game. Because people are dropping off their kids and stuff.
I'm gonna react to a Honey ad starring Mr. Beast and his mom. Wait, before you check out.
Bruh.
Okay, little beat drop, okay?
Look, the school buses are here, guys. The buses are here. Frick. Oh. The buses are here, guys. I have no idea what's going on right now. What in the world is going on right now? I just want to show the school and oh, that's why. Alright, let's park here. Let's go head out, and I'm going to show you guys the school and stuff while these guys park up here. But look at it, it's got the school bus here, it got my car in here. Going through here, we got the school. Interior is amazing. You got the principal's office. Look at this. Alright. The lounge area, the receptionist office. You got the kitchen and the cafeteria, the gym. At least that door leads to outside. You got detention, nurse's office. See all the cars sitting outside. Alright, come through here. We have the upstairs floor. We have these history class. Math class. English. And the library. That's pretty much the school, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short-lived video of the game. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. And above all things, keep it gaming.